AISellers Review. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Ever wish you could launch a six-figure marketing agency without doing all the grunt work yourself? Stick around, because today we're diving into AISellers, and it's a game changer. Also, I have more than $15,000 worth of bonuses waiting for you. So what exactly is AISellers? AISellers is an advanced AI software for creating profitable marketing campaigns. It enables you to launch a six-figure agency without doing the work yourself. Get instant, done-for-you campaigns like avatar videos, ebooks, and landing pages from just one URL with no tech skills needed. Let's see the demo of AISellers and understand everything about it.
Welcome to AISellers. In this short demonstration video, I'm going to show you how you can use AISellers and its custom trained and custom built AI agents to promote and market any product or service of your own or of your client and generate traffic, leads, and sales to all your products, to all your services within minutes. To get started, we're going to create a project to promote one of my product, and I'm going to show you how you can create all the marketing assets within minutes. So first we're going to go here and change the name to one of my products called AI Callings. Now you need to train the AI about your product that you can do by typing in the content, importing data from website, uploading documents, PDF, images, or uploading video files. In this demonstration, we're going to import data from the website, from the sales page. So I'm going to go here and do this, and I'm going to select non-e-commerce URL and click on import. As you can see, the website data has been imported. You can view it, edit, add more to it, or add more URL and train more data to the AI. Now, once this is done, we're going to go over here and click on assets. Now, here we can create marketing videos, landing pages, ebooks and flipbooks, opt-in pages, blog articles, multiple blog articles. We can create ads, we can create images and graphics to promote on Pinterest. We can create email campaigns, we can create SMS and WhatsApp campaign, and we can create AI bot campaign. Now let's start creating by video. Click on create video, enter the video name, and of course you can create videos in all these different formats. Select the style and click on create. Now you have 6 different video options that you can create: a custom video, a video just from the text, a talking head video, an audio to video, an image to video, or text to movie scene. So for example, we want to create a text to movie scene. We're going to click on select and click create. Now of course here we can describe the details of what kind of video we want to create. Click next. Here you can pick from different video ideas. Click next. And now here's the title and description for your video that you can later schedule on YouTube and Facebook as well. Here you can preview your script and edit, modify it to it. Click next. Now here you can schedule your video on YouTube and Facebook if you'd like to do that. But first you need to go and connect your YouTube and Facebook account. Click next. Select your thumbnail that will also be AI generated. You can again edit the thumbnail if you want, or you can upload a new thumbnail. Now here you can choose between AI images or stock images. We're going to choose AI images, and you can also clone your voice. You can upload your own voice or pick from one of your 11 live voices, or you could just use any of our free voices to go with. Click on create videos, and your video will start generating. Now while the video is being created, what we can do is we can go back and let's create a landing page to promote our product. We click on landing page, page 1, give it a name. We select the country and language we want to target and click on create. Now we have a bunch of templates to choose from. You can choose this template and click on create, and now it will start creating your landing page. Same, let's do it for the ebook. Super easy. As you can see, you just have to select, enter, create. That's it. Let's do an opt-in page as well. Create. Tons of templates will be added, and you can pick, and we add new templates every month. Click on blog article, create, and again you can create it in all different languages, all different countries, targeting all different demographics. Let's create an ad. Let's create some graphics. Let's create an email campaign. Let's create an SMS campaign. And let's create an AI chatbot. Now let's quickly preview everything and see what we've created. So let's start with landing page. We can click on this icon to preview the page, and then of course everything is AI generated, all the data is added. You can modify it by clicking the edit button and you can change everything here in a very simple way. And if you want to use WYSIWYG editor, you can do that as well. So you can use a drag and drop editor to modify your page as well. Now let's take a look at the ebook that we have created. Again, you can see ebooks in two ways, a PDF or a flipbook. So let's try this one, which is a flipbook, and you can share this flipbook as a link with anybody you want. And if you want to do that as a PDF, you could do that as well. Of course, you can modify your ebook right over here. You can see all the chapters, you can modify everything. You can see all these different chapters that have been created, and of course everything is editable. You can see the PDF version as well over here. Let's look at the opt-in page that we have created. Again, everything is modifiable. You can edit everything, add your own opt-in code here. When you edit the page, you can create blog articles, and you can create as many as you want with AI generated images, and then you can upload them or publish them on your blog, and you can create multiple blog articles. Same way, you can create multiple ads for different platforms, and you can see all the ad settings that we have here, and you can set up your ads here, and you can preview how the ad is going to look and modify everything over here. Same, you can see the graphic that have been created, or you can download that graphic as well. You can edit it, modify it, add more to the graphic or remove something from it. Same way, you can see the email campaign that we have created, modify it, edit it, or publish it on your autoresponder directly from inside the app. You can look at the SMS campaign that has been created. Again, that can be set up and copied and shared with your phone number to send SMSs to your clients, or even WhatsApp messages to your clients. And finally, you can embed the chatbot that you have created by using this code on any website, any page you want, or even the landing page and ebook that you have created. Now also, let's find a look at the video that we created. And of course, you can create multiple of these videos, multiple of these assets, all within minutes, and start deploying them and start publishing them to start generating traffic. Let's edit this video and preview it how it is. So as you can see, we created an anime video, and if you want to preview it, you can simply click on preview button.
In a bustling call center office in the United States.
And you can see there are all these different slides have been created. Everything is already all AI generated, custom work done. And then again, you can go ahead and start modifying the video as you want. You can add more backgrounds, you can add more images, all AI generated. You can add more text layer, you can add narration, you can change the voice. You can add a talking head, you can add your own picture, and it will be added over here as an animated talking head. You can change the background music, animations, add an intro, outro slides. You can add captions to the video from all different formatting styles. You can control the volume of the voiceover and the background music. You can add a call to action, which could be an affiliate link or website link. And then you can add your logo and watermark if you're doing agency work or clients work. And once you're ready, simply click on render. It will start rendering the video and ready for it to be published as per your schedule that you had selected in the publishing section over here. Or you could simply just download the videos as well. Now, that's how AISeller works. It lets you create all these assets within minutes to promote any product and service online, and everything is fully automated, done by AI. This is the perfect app out there to promote any product, to generate traffic, leads, and sales to any product or service out there. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our team. We'll be happy to help you. Cheers.
I hope you understand how the AI sellers do its magic. Here are some of the premium level bonuses that you will be receiving from the vendor himself. These are other than my own bonuses. Also, here are the extra bonuses worth more than $8,000 that you will be getting from my end if you decide to purchase it from the link given in the description below. Now let's see the upsells as well. We have already seen the AI sellers front end. To check all the upsells, check the link in the description. So, the first upsell is Unlimited Edition. It removes all limits, offering unlimited credits, projects, hosting, and publishing. Gain more styles, faster rendering, and priority support for all AI-generated content like videos, articles, and landing pages. The second upsell is the Professional Edition. Use AI sellers globally, remove all branding, access hundreds of languages with multilingual AI voiceovers, and utilize TrimReel/ReelMerge for creating longer promotional videos. Third upsell is Done For You Edition. You will get 50 ready-made, customizable affiliate review videos for software and Amazon products. Includes guaranteed affiliate approval, YouTube keyword lists, and a 4-week AISellers Profits Masterclass training. Fourth upsell is Enterprise. Features team/client management, a ready-made website with 5 years hosting, DFY promo videos, contracts, and lead magnets. Also provides 100 plus DFY FB ad templates and guides for free ad credits. Also, they have the bundle deal as well as Fast Pass, which you can check in the description. So, stop wasting time and money on outdated marketing methods. AISellers is your essential tool to create profitable campaigns, attract high-ticket clients, and generate significant passive income, all on autopilot. The future of marketing is here, and it's automated. Click the link below and secure your one-time investment in AISellers today before the price increases.